on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This might be in a separate video, but I was getting ready because I'm doing a vlog. So I was getting ready and I ended up doing this makeup look and I really liked it. So I'm like, you know what, let me film it because, you know, you guys might want to know how I did it. And honestly, me, if I do a makeup look, I honestly can't recreate it because I forget what I did. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and film it, and then you guys can see what I did. So I was basically gonna go with going safe. I was just gonna go with my natural everyday kind of makeup that I do, kind of just do like a little bit of color on my crease, then one shimmery color on the lid, and then call it a day. But I don't know how I ended up with this beautiful Christmas makeup look. I'm going to a BH Cosmetics party. We get to wear our pajamas, go comfortable, but I wanted to go with a beat face. I honestly don't know how everybody's gonna go. I hate the situation where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go all comfortable, and then when I show up to the party, everybody's overdressed, and I'm like, oh shit. Then if I go, you know, over the top and everybody's like all comfortable, so I'm like, what the hell? Like, am I not getting the memo? So it's a more casual, like, you know, like pajama, sweatpants kind of type of party. So I'm wearing my pajama, my taco pajama, and I wanted to wear Christmas makeup because honestly I haven't been out in a while, and you know what, I'm like, you know what, who cares if I'm the only one that has the beat face over there? I'm gonna still wear it. So yeah, anyway, so I was going to go with the safe and go neutral, but then I was like, so I'm gonna do what I did and then go from there. So I did grab the BH Cosmetics palette, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna use this one right here, and I applied it right onto my crease. So that's what I'm gonna do now. That's what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the crease. Right when I put the color down, I was like already second guessing what I wanted to do, to be honest with you guys, because I was like, this is, I don't know, this is not what I was picturing myself. Because honestly, last night I went to sleep thinking I'm gonna do this cut crease green color and all this and all that, but then I was like, oh, honestly, I didn't want to do it, so I didn't. Then I went with 1992, that color right there, and I applied this right up there as well. And then honestly, I was like, girl, this still doesn't look like what I want to do. So anyways, then I went and I grabbed the e.l.f. Baked Shadow, this shimmery thing right here, and I used that to highlight my brow bone. I'm actually gonna add more because I feel like there's none here, so I'll blend it right now. So there. Then I'm just gonna go back and kind of blend this out, blend this side out. All right. Then I was okay, I'm gonna add my lid color. So I went ahead and I grabbed a Morphe brush, sprayed it with some setting spray. Then I grabbed Brillo, this one right here, and I applied it on my lid. So that's what I was going for. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go, you know, keep it safe, you know, just kind of do something I would normally do when I'm gonna be going out with my family, you know, something simple, you know, but I wanted to look glamorous, so I just went and I did this, right? And then I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes because honestly this is like the look that I want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. This is where everything changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes. Mind you, it's 8:50, so it's really early in the morning. So I decided to, you know, okay, I'm gonna apply my lashes. You know, this is the look that I want to go, that I'm gonna wear, you know, keep it safe, you know, just whatever. So I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit because I don't want it to be, you know, wet. So then I applied my lashes. I gotta concentrate because I'm trying for them to stick so they don't fall off like in the middle of the party. So yeah, and the party is at 12, from 12 to 5, so you know, it's an early party kind of thing. So I'm just going to wait until it dries. Okay, so this is where I sat and I was listening to Christmas music and I'm like, I honestly don't like this. So I went and I grabbed the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going with the red shadow right here. I was like, girl, do you really want to mess this look up? Because I was like, if I don't like it, I'm gonna have to take it off and redo whatever, you know. So I was like, fuck it, whatever, I still have time. So I went ahead and I grabbed that red shadow, and then I started following that crease, that cut crease that I did, and bringing in that red. So I wanted the red to really pop in the outer corner, so I'm going to set it right here and bring it in. I feel like I fucked up already. Right, I'm gonna blend it out anyway, so alright, so I did that. I mean, it doesn't look that crazy, doesn't look that different, you know. It's just, you know, it's just a pop of red on there. I was like, okay, that looks good. So just blend it out. See, it blended out. It kind of like less intense of the red. So I'm gonna add a little bit more over here because I feel like I lost it. Okay, there you go. That's the red that I applied. Then I was like, okay, I might need a little bit more of that brillo color. So I went back and I reapplied a little bit, brought it back a little bit more because I felt like it was too, you know, short. So there. So I was like, okay, whatever, you know. Then I decided to add glitter to this look. So I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay Heavy Metals. This one is in Stage something, and then this one is Midnight something. I really can't see it because it's kind of like messed up already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the natural, no, well, they're not the natural because I made it, right? But I'm gonna follow the line that I made. Hopefully I don't mess up because usually with this eye I have an issue. Okay, so I'm just going to follow. So I kind of brought it out. I'm gonna it's hard for me to do the left eye with the glitter, so I kind of messed up already, but okay. So I brought the glitter, let it dry, and then I decided, if you mess up, you can just go ahead and grab like a brush and you can fix it. Actually, don't even remember what brush I got, but I got a brush and I fixed it, so I don't remember what brush it was. So I'm just gonna grab a brush from here and then just kind of clean it, you know. Alright, so once it's dry, I go with the goldish color just so that I kind of get like those colors together. I messed up again because it's hard for me to do this eye. I don't know why. Okay, there, cleaned it. So that's what I did with the glitter. I feel like this one has to be a little bit higher up, but whatever. So that's what I kind of did. Then I was like, girl, I need something else. So I went and I got a black eyeliner and I lined my waterline. So I'm gonna do that. I don't like this eyeliner because I feel like it dries so quickly. I like my Morphe one, but I can't find it. So I'm bringing it out a little bit. Like that. Then I grabbed a pencil brush from Morphe and I grabbed the green shadow from that same palette. And then I started smoking out the bottom lash line. Sorry if I'm going like this because I feel like it's gonna help with the fallout. I don't know why. But just decided to smoke that out. Ooh. And then I kind of just grab the brush, blend that out. There we go. So then I just grabbed my mascara. This one is the Benefit Roller Lash. I kind of really like this mascara. I don't know why I've never really paid attention to it or used it, but I really like it. So applying some to the bottom and top. Ah, I poked my eye. Oh no. Alright, so this is basically what I did. I poked my eyes, so my eyes dry now. Alright, so let me just, I like to do this to my lashes for some reason. I don't know why. I need to fix this side. So you basically get a spoolie and you can scrape, you know, the glitter off. There we go. See? And then you can redo everything. So this one is going a little higher, so I should bring it up a little bit. There. And then so that's basically what I did. So I'm just letting it dry. I will list all the products that I use because I wasn't really gonna film this look, but I really like how it looks. So I was like, you know what, let me film it so you guys can see what I did, because I really, you know, it's very Christmassy kind of theme. I don't know, I wouldn't wear this for Christmas, because if you're gonna be cooking, I don't know, unless you have time, fuck it, whatever, do it, you know, but I obviously don't. So yeah, okay, so I'm just removing the setting powder I had. All right, and I'm done with that. So I was thinking maybe something inside my eyes. I don't know if I want to do maybe glitter or something, like actually glitter. Let me look for something and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, so basically this is the finished look. I forgot to finish filming the video, but this is the look that I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry, but oh my god, I can't believe I did it. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.